Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to retouch eyes using Photoshop. So to start with, this is the image that we are going to work with today, and let's just get started. So quickly, let's just duplicate this layer. So right click on the layer and select on the option of duplicate layer. So I'll just rename it as eyes because that sounds like appropriate for the tutorial. Now using this eye layer, what I am going to do is first let's zoom into the picture so that the eyes are quite visible to us like this. And using the dodge tool over here, using the dodge tool and using the brush size as 35, range is highlights and exposure is 50. Let's reduce it to 38 and let's just start coloring the white portions of the eye just like this, just to make the eyes look little brighter and even to add the glow in the eye. So we are going to work with this eye as well. I guess that's it. That's what we have done. Let's zoom out. So this is the image. Now again, to work even more with the image, what we are going to do is we are going to use this sponge tool. So the sponge tool is basically, it is used for kind of adding saturation or desaturating the image. So to add saturation, we are going to select the mode as saturate. Brush size is 50, that is too much, so we'll reduce the brush size to around 28. Flow is 50, and let's start coloring this yellow portions of the eye just to highlight those little parts in the eye. So this part is done. Same way with this one. And then we are going to work with burn tool. So as you must be knowing, we have already used burn tool and it is quite useful in image editing. And in this case, what we are going to do with that is just highlight the eyebrows a little. Not too much. Exposure is set to 13. I'll just make it 26 and just darken them a little bit, just like this. Same way with this part, and add little shadows to the eye. So as you can see, this is the editing what we have done to the eye of the subject. So this is the normal image and this is the part that we have edited. Surely it looks kind of attractive and it is quite highlighting, and it also looks bright enough for the subject, for the eye to be clear. And if you still feel that you have done a little mistake and you want to reduce the amount of edits, you can just simply go to select this layer and go to opacity slider and just reduce the opacity so that you have a bit of originality in the image with the bit of editing as well. So now this is the original and this is the edited. Looks quite subtle and quite realistic. So well, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.